Let me show you how to caption horizontal videos in Opus Clip. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetino Media, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so if you don't know what Opus Clip is, it's basically an AI tool that allows you to create vertical videos, those short vertical videos, and add captions on them. Animated captions with the colors and everything like that. These are the videos that you see on YouTube Shorts, Reels, they're on Facebook as well. And honestly, it's an amazing AI tool. I recommend it to people all the time. Usually when you're using this, it's vertical videos. But what if you want to keep it horizontal? I'm old school and I do still like the horizontal look of videos. So let me show you how to do that in Opus Clip. I'm just going to head to my dashboard here. And if you are interested in signing up for Opus Clip, you can head down to the description below as I will have a link for you for a free trial. Okay, so from here, I'm going to upload my video. Now you can either drop a link from YouTube or anything like that, or you can upload the video. I have the actual video file. Here it is right here. It's going to do its uploading thing. Now this is going to depend on how long your video is and how big the file is. Now the technique I'm going to be showing you is to keep it at horizontal and to keep the entire video and to have captions underneath. So you can see my videos all loaded up. Now what I want to do is head over to Don't Clip, and this will add caption without clipping your content. That's what we want. I want to keep it horizontal video. I want to keep the full length, and I just want to add captions. That's what we're doing here. So I'm on Don't Clip, and then you can see here in templates, I have this template here which is a horizontal template. You can see this one is a vertical, and this one is a vertical, and this one is a horizontal. So in your preset templates, you're going to want to set one to a horizontal video. Now let's say you didn't already have it set to horizontal. What we could do is click on the edit button on the template, and you can see here it opened up the template in a new window, and you can see under aspect ratio, this is where you change the dimension of the video. So usually vertical is 19 by 16 and square is 1:1, and horizontal is basically just the opposite. It's 16 to 19, and you can see it right here. So make sure you set it to that, then click Save Template, and then it's going to bring you back to here where you will have the option to choose horizontal. So now that we've done that, it's all good. I got my colors and everything. I'm going to click Get Clips in one click. So then it pops down here, and then it's going to say ETA 5 minutes. Usually it's less than that. I find that it'll be like maybe 3 to 4 minutes. But again, it does depend on the size and length of your video. So we'll just wait for that. Alright, it's all done, so let's head into the video by clicking on it. And you can see here that it's at the horizontal, and if I click play, why we don't delete our old embarrassing YouTube videos from our channel. Hey everyone, how's it going? So you can see that it's horizontal, it's got the captions. If I want to edit it further, I can click Edit Clip, and I can, change everything on there. I can change the font, the colors, the positioning of the text, adding emojis, if there are any spelling errors or anything like that. But as you can see here, it's got the full video going on with captions. I've got the text all over here. I've got all of the ways to do modifications here. When you're done, you click Save Changes, and then it brings you back here with all your new changes, and then you can go ahead and click download the HD version. So that is how you get a captioned horizontal full-length video in Opus Clip. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button. That would be greatly appreciated. And if you are interested in trying out Opus Clip, which I do highly recommend, head down to the description below as I will have my affiliate link for you. And if you found this video helpful, I would appreciate if you used that link. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.